Empower Your Mind, A Journey to Personal Growth and Success. This book will help you to unlock your full potential and create a life of meaning and fulfillment. Chapter 2, Understanding Your Mind and Emotions. Understanding your mind and emotions is a critical component of personal growth and development. The following are some key points to consider when exploring this topic. The connection between mind and emotions. Understanding the connection between your mind and emotions is essential to developing greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence. By recognizing how your thoughts and emotions influence each other, you can gain greater control over your emotional responses and improve your mental and emotional well-being. The role of thoughts and beliefs. Your thoughts and beliefs have a powerful impact on your emotions and behavior. By examining and challenging negative or limiting beliefs, you can develop a more positive and empowering mindset. The impact of past experiences and traumatic events can shape your thoughts, beliefs, and emotional responses. By exploring your past experiences and working through any lingering emotional or psychological baggage, you can gain a deeper understanding of your thoughts and emotions and develop greater resilience and self-awareness. Emotional regulation and mindfulness. Emotional regulation and mindfulness are important skills for managing and understanding your emotions. This can involve practices such as deep breathing, mindfulness meditation, or other techniques to help you regulate your emotions and stay focused in the present moment. By taking the time to understand your mind and emotions, you can gain greater control over your thoughts and feelings, improve your mental and emotional well-being, and develop the skills you need to achieve your goals and reach your full potential. 2.1 The workings of the human brain. The human brain is one of the most complex and sophisticated structures in the known universe. It is the center of our nervous system and controls all of our thoughts, movements, emotions, and behaviors. Here are a few key points to consider when exploring the workings of the human brain. Structure. The human brain is comprised of multiple regions, each with its own specialized functions. Some of the key regions include the frontal lobe, involved in decision-making and executive functions, the parietal lobe, involved in sensation and perception, the temporal lobe, involved in hearing and memory, and the occipital lobe, involved in vision. Neural connections. The human brain is made up of billions of neurons, which communicate with one another through specialized connections called synapses. These connections allow for the transfer of information from one part of the brain to another and form the basis for our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Plasticity. The human brain has a remarkable ability to change and adapt in response to new experiences, a property known as plasticity. This means that our experiences and behaviors can shape the structure and function of our brains over time. Chemical signaling. The brain uses chemical signaling to transmit information between neurons. Different chemicals, such as neurotransmitters, are released by neurons to signal to other neurons and regulate various brain functions, including mood, attention, and memory. Hemispheric specialization. The two hemispheres of the human brain are specialized for different functions, with the left hemisphere typically associated with language, logic, and analytical thinking, and the right hemisphere associated with spatial awareness, creativity, and holistic thinking. By understanding the workings of the human brain, we can gain insights into how our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are shaped and regulated, and develop strategies for optimizing brain function and improving mental and emotional well-being. 2.2 Understanding your thoughts and feelings. Understanding your thoughts and feelings is a key component of personal growth and development. Here are a few key points to understand it more better. The relationship between thoughts and feelings. Your thoughts and feelings are closely connected, with your thoughts influencing your emotions and your emotions influencing your thoughts. By becoming more aware of this relationship, you can gain greater control over your emotional responses and improve your mental and emotional well-being. The power of self-talk. The way you talk to yourself can have a profound impact on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By paying attention to your self-talk and replacing negative or self-defeating thoughts with more positive and empowering ones, you can improve your self-esteem and emotional well-being. The impact of beliefs and values. Your beliefs and values shape your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By examining your beliefs and values, you can gain greater insight into why you think and feel the way you do and make more informed decisions about what is important to you. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves the ability to understand and regulate your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. By developing greater emotional intelligence, you can improve your relationships, manage conflict more effectively, and build greater resilience in the face of adversity. By taking the time to understand your thoughts and feelings, you can gain greater self-awareness, improve your emotional intelligence, and develop the skills you need to reach your full potential and achieve your personal and professional goals. 2.3 The impact of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs can significantly impact our mental and emotional well-being and our ability to achieve our personal and professional goals. Here are a few key points to consider when exploring the impact of these factors. 1. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk refers to the critical and self-defeating thoughts that we have about ourselves. Negative self-talk can undermine our self-esteem, create feelings of anxiety and depression, and limit our ability to reach our full potential. Limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are beliefs that limit our potential and hold us back from achieving our goals. These beliefs can take the form of self-doubt, fear, and negative self-talk, and can be deeply ingrained in our unconscious minds. The impact on mental and emotional well-being. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs can have a significant impact on our mental and emotional well-being, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. They can also limit our ability to pursue our goals and reach our full potential. Overcoming negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. To overcome negative self-talk and limiting beliefs, it is important to become aware of them and to challenge them with evidence-based thinking. This can involve practicing positive self-talk, seeking out supportive relationships, and engaging in activities that build self-esteem and confidence. By recognizing the impact of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs, and taking steps to overcome them, you can improve your mental and emotional well-being, and achieve your personal and professional goals.
2.4 How to cultivate self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Cultivating self-awareness and emotional intelligence is a key component of personal growth and development. Here are a few key strategies for doing so. 1. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. 1. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations, and gain a greater understanding of your emotional responses. 2. Journaling. Journaling can be an effective way to increase self-awareness and process emotions. 2. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain insights into your experiences and become more aware of patterns and tendencies in your thinking and behavior. 3. Therapy or counseling. Therapy or counseling can be an effective way to gain insight into your thoughts and emotions and to develop greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence. 3. Working with a trained professional can provide you with the support and guidance you need to make lasting changes. 4. Emotional regulation techniques. Emotional regulation techniques, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and visualization, can help you manage your emotions and increase your emotional intelligence. 5. Empathy exercises. Practicing empathy involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes and trying to understand their perspective. 5. By developing empathy, you can improve your relationships, manage conflict more effectively, and build greater emotional intelligence. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can cultivate self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and gain the skills you need to reach your full potential and achieve your personal and professional goals.